We're going to try and perpendicular park the Escalade IQ in that spot right there. And I'm going to show you the steps to go about doing it. Push the park assist, and shows here you want to park or exit a space, because you can exit a space as well, as you see in one of my videos. And then you get a diagram to either perpendicular or parallel park. Well, my spot's to the right and perpendicular. I'm going to press this button here and listen to what it tells me. It says, start by pulling past a parking space. I will let you know when we are in position to back in. So I'm going to just let my foot off the brake. I'm still in control of the vehicle as it rolls. And it's telling me it found a spot, but I believe that's the wrong one. So I'm going to say keep looking, because the spot behind me is actually the ramp. So I'm going to say keep looking, because I don't want that spot. So now I'm going to pull, because I want that spot right there. I'm going to pull forward more. Hopefully it grabs that one. Maybe it doesn't like that one because it doesn't feel, oh, it does. So it stops and says, do you want to back into this space behind us? I'm going to say park in vehicle. Now, once I press this button, I'm not going to touch the wheel, steering wheel, the brake, or the gas, or the shift knob. So I'm press the vehicle. It starts moving, positioning itself, hopefully to park in that spot. Backs up cautiously. Just like that car right there. It's kind of nerve-wracking because you see a car right there next to it. It's going slow, but it sees that car. It stopped. Now it changed the gears to forward, and it's moving forward. Remember, I haven't touched the brake, the gas, or the steering wheel, or the gear shifter. And now I'll put itself back in reverse to try to get back into the spot. I still think I'm a little close. Let me see from the 3D view. No, actually, no, that's good. I'm kind of away from it. And it's backing me all the way up. And it just put me in park and says park complete. I hope me moving the camera around, I wanted you guys to see all the angles that it took to get in here to try to park. So let's see if I can get out of this spot now. So I'm in park. I'm gonna hit park assist. And how would you like to exit? I want to exit to my left. And it put it in drive just now. And I'm moving forward. And remember, when you exit a spot, it doesn't get you facing forward. It just gets you out of that spot. All right, so that's it. So it gets me out of the spot. Then I have to take over and literally probably one maneuver to back up. And one maneuver to go forward. And I'm out. So it helps you get in and out of the parking spot.